Hello everyone. I first and foremost want to thank my opponent Maya for all of her words. However, today I wanted to remind everyone why voting for Medicare for All is vital. By choosing Medicare for All, we are giving all citizens an equal opportunity to insurance. Everyone will finally get the healthcare coverage they need. Both low-income citizens and the homeless people who are in need of insurance and unable to afford it, maybe even never even had insurance in their lives, will finally receive the healthcare coverage they are in need of. Everyone will have insurance and no one will be paying out-of-pocket expenses or co-pays. Also, with America having the highest health spending in the world, reaching not just millions or billions, but we're in the trillions here, we will be lowering the overall healthcare costs. This will benefit the country as a whole, the government and its citizens, but this would also benefit the business world. By businesses lowering their costs, it will actually gain benefits and higher salaries for their employees because they can balance out their money elsewhere instead of having to pay so much for the insurance companies. Medicare for All will also lower the complexity of the very complex current healthcare system. Medical workers would no longer have to work with multiple private insurance companies. By switching to just one coverage, we will save a lot of time and lots of headaches that we have been dealing with in the past for the medical staff and the patients. Patients would finally be able to go to primary care physicians, allowing the emergency rooms to open up and be less clustered, and hospitals and emergency rooms can attend to the real emergencies because it'll be a balance of not having so many people there. People can finally go to other doctors instead of attending to the emergency room for all their needs. Voting for Medicare for All will also give all citizens the essentials they need in literal life or death matters. I mean, look at the pandemic we've been dealing with in the last few months and we're still dealing with. Look how many people needed to be treated and how many people probably couldn't be treated because they didn't have insurance and possibly got sick or even died because of that. So if you care about your family, you care about your friends, your neighbors, and your fellow American citizens, please choose to vote for the expansion of Medicare for All. Thank you.